in figure that we're looking at below, which line is parallel to line A? Is it line B or line C? How do you decide this? So I exactly can't show you guys this actually. Actually, I can. Hmm. But what you have to make use of is what actually helps is set square. Okay, this is a set square, or let me show the live one. This are your set square. You have to make use of this. If you don't have, one of this, but you need one actually, at least one, you can use a scale. Okay. So how to do it exactly, I'll show it. I'll take a second. I need to arrange few things. Okay, so let me show how to use a set square. So you have to keep it in this manner. And then you can move it in this manner. And by the way, you need to have some kind of weight on this or your hand actually. So put pressure against this and move it in this manner. So basically, the first one should not be moving. It should be stationary. It should be there. For that to happen, you need to hold it proper. So hold it in place and then move the other set square. So this is how you use the set square. Why do we use it? That I will make you guys understand. But this is a funda. So how do you decide if line B or C is parallel to A? We need to make use of set square. That's one of the possibilities. Now, I have the picture over here. Now I'll make a set square of my own. So I'll keep the first set square over here. Right, this is fixed. The other set square, I will keep it over here. It would be something like this. Okay. So there will be some marking. So let me do that marking also. Let me make it a bit bigger. Just again, I'm just going with hypothetical situations. Let me make it black. Black does not work. Red. So there's equal marking everywhere. Now, the question is, which is parallel to A? So for that, what I should do is, I should take the set square. I should start moving this manner. Right? So start with one end. And the division is 2. Okay? So from this end, it's 2. Then I'll keep moving. And I'll keep moving. And I'll keep moving. And I'll keep moving. So you can see that what is happening between B and C. And with this marking, second mark. What's happening? What's happening? They're moving away from this mark. B and C both are moving away from this mark. We started at this end. The mark was the first dot or this dot. It was at second marking. But as and when I move, as and when I take the set square, you can see that it is. You can see clearly over here that that line C is moving down while line B is moving up. And so what is the answer? Yes. Line A is not parallel to line B and line C. It's not parallel to both actually. So we did it with the help of set square. We did it, or in this case you guys should be writing I did it with help of set square. I'll explain what's the funda over here. See, the funda of set square is that this is a straight line. This is fixed. So, okay, let me use it over here. This is fixed. And now you're varying this. You're moving this around. So we know that parallel lines supposed to be parallel lines Sorry about my handwriting over here. Supposed to have what kind of distance? Yes, equal gap throughout. And since we are not looking at equal gap between A and C or A and B, it's between neither of the pairs. What do we end up with? We end up with none of the lines are parallel to A. Okay. What about B and C? Are they parallel? Clearly not. They are intersecting lines. They started from the same point. So that is the funda. So yeah, this particular question teaches a lot. I would mark it as important for learning purpose.